My secret ingredient is I got born love. I will say it's love, but that love, I know it's not from me. That love is from somebody else, because I'm a human. I cannot love if I don't want to, but I always feel that if I love something, I love it like 200%. I will say, if there is anything like that. So if I like it, I like all out. I like all out. That's my best ingredient, and I believe that God is giving you that. God is giving you that. At the moment, I only know of Him which we can do that because of His holiness and His holy delivery to. But He can give you in order to do things in a proper way. So that love is it's one of the ingredients that helped me. So I used to say love is the strongest weapon ever in whatever I'm doing, including the business.